A single SUV purchase mistake can drain more cash from your account in year one than most families spend on their entire annual grocery budget. That's just the beginning. Over the next 12 minutes, you'll dodge 3 financial disasters on wheels, uncover 4 exceptional performers, and discover one underrated gem that outshines premium competitors. Skip even a section and you might miss the insight that prevents a 5-figure blunder. Choose wisely, drive confidently, because smart buyers always come out ahead. Car number 1, Ford Explorer XLT, the service bay prisoner. What happens when your brand new SUV becomes a regular guest at the dealership while you're stuck driving rentals? Welcome to life with the 2025 Ford Explorer XLT, where reliability gaps stretch wider than its cargo opening. Federal safety records reveal average parts delays of 19 days for powertrain repairs. One Tucson parent logged 52 service days during her first ownership year. She practically lived in Ford's loaner vehicle instead of her supposed family hauler. It gets worse. Interior materials surrender faster than warranty coverage begins. Synthetic leather splits before your first oil change. Electrical switches develop rattles over minor road imperfections. And that expensive panoramic sunroof? Service techs discreetly apply weather strip sealant to eliminate persistent wind noise complaints. The hybrid's complex 10-speed transmission struggles with moderate inclines, frequently triggering protective limp modes. Internal engineering documents reveal torque converter failures at temperatures barely reaching 90 belts, significantly below competitive benchmarks. The reason this is happening: Ford prioritizes fleet orders over retail customers when component shortages arise, since police departments generate higher volume contracts. But that's not all. Extended repair waits create cascading expenses. Rental coverage expires after 2 weeks, yet Explorers often require month-long service visits, forcing owners to absorb $60 daily rental fees. Insurance companies responded with 13% premium increases due to poor repairability ratings. Car number 2, Hyundai Kona. Bumpy ride, bumpy ownership. Picture yourself cruising down smooth asphalt when a minor road imperfection launches your cabin into violent oscillations. Welcome to the 2025 Hyundai Kona experience. Its cost-cutting torsion beam rear suspension transmits 31% more road shock than competing multi-link systems, according to federal ride quality assessments. Inside, dashboard illumination fades to purple shadows after sunset, forcing drivers to blindly search for basic controls. The reason this is happening: Hyundai rushed production to capture compact crossover demand, compromising suspension tuning, interior lighting quality, and parts supply chains. Critical components now face 8-week back orders, stranding frustrated owners. But listen to this: a Virginia college student waited 63 days for throttle body replacement, accumulating $1,240 in rideshare expenses she couldn't afford. It gets crazier. Fleet reliability data shows 11% of engines develop knock symptoms before 35,000 miles, nearly triple segment averages. Hyundai attributes issues to varying fuel quality standards, yet warranty claims face denial for owners using anything below premium gasoline grades. An experienced technician confirms Kona engines consume their own bearing material. That grinding sound represents disappearing savings. Manufacturing shortcuts multiply problems. Recent electric variant recalls locked 4,800 units into range-limiting software modes. Permanent fixes won't arrive until mid-2026. Emerging regulatory pressures may force complete platform redesigns, leaving current owners with deprecated models. Car number 3, Volkswagen Tiguan. The invisible money drain. Ever wondered why certain crossovers consume modest fuel quantities while devouring engine oil? The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan masters this expensive magic trick, with owners reporting average consumption rates of 1 quart per 1,300 miles, quadruple Volkswagen's published acceptable usage guidelines. Calculate across typical 16,000-mile annual driving and you'll purchase 14 additional quarts beyond scheduled maintenance intervals. It gets worse. Excessive oil consumption often signals deteriorating turbocharger seals, yet dealers dismiss concerned customers until catastrophic $4,600 turbo replacements strike around 65,000 miles. German automotive publications document these premature failures weekly, with oil starvation identified as the primary culprit. The cramped third-row seating that initially sold families on 7-passenger capacity proves unusable after real-world testing. Teenagers contort uncomfortably while adults refuse boarding entirely. But that's not all. The touch-sensitive climate control system demands dangerous attention diversion from driving tasks. Munich University research measured 45% longer driver glance times compared to traditional physical controls. Safety concerns amplify with above-average insurance premiums reflecting poor crash repairability scores, while 3-year residual values hover at just 44% versus competitor averages near 58%. The reason this is happening, current generation engineering prioritized manufacturing cost reduction over long-term durability, creating oil consumption issues that damage brand reputation. Volkswagen's planned 2026 hybrid redesign promises improved piston sealing and restored physical controls, but today's buyers will absorb tomorrow's depreciation impact. Pause the problems, hit subscribe, and activate notifications so your next vehicle purchase starts with knowledge, not costly surprises. Car number 4, Toyota RAV4, the dependability champion. Consider every fuel purchase and investment decision, minimize costs while maximizing asset retention. By this standard, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues its dominance, combining genuine 31 mpg real-world efficiency with remarkable 63% 3-year residual values, the segment's undisputed benchmark. But listen to this, reliability surveys document the lowest mechanical failure rates in class, just 79 problems per 100 vehicles compared to industry averages of 19.8 issues. Interior practicality shines through reclining rear seats and cargo floors accommodating full-size strollers without wheel removal. Exhausted parents appreciate thoughtful engineering. A Michigan family physician reports her children compete for backseat positions thanks to panoramic glass blocking 94% of harmful UV radiation. The reason this is happening, Toyota's continuous improvement philosophy replaced single-layer glass with dual acoustic laminate, reducing cabin noise by 4 decibels for library quiet highway cruising. Enhanced Safety Sense 3.5 combines millimeter wave radar with optical recognition, enabling full-speed adaptive cruise control that reduces driver fatigue. Law enforcement data confirms 15% fewer rear impact collisions among equipped vehicles. It gets better. Bloomberg automotive analysts predict Toyota's forthcoming 2027 hydrogen hybrid RAV4 will sustain current gasoline model relevance, protecting ownership investments, lock in proven RAV4 reliability for peaceful driving and bulletproof resale values. Car number 5, Mazda CX-50, athletic grace in practical form. What happens when sports sedan dynamics inhabit a compact crossover body? The 2025 Mazda CX-50 delivers that exhilarating transformation, feeling more like performance equipment than transportation appliance. Engineers relocated the power plant rearward 7 centimeters, achieving nearly perfect 54-46 weight distribution that attacks corners with surgical precision. But that's not all. Independent testing confirms 0.89 G skid pad performance, exceeding BMW X3 capabilities while maintaining 29 mpg highway economy through intelligent cylinder deactivation technology. A Wyoming landscape photographer describes ascending mountain passes with camera equipment loaded, praising G-Vectoring Control's subtle weight transfer optimization for confidence-inspiring handling. Interior refinement elevates the experience. Genuine Nappa leather surfaces and machined aluminum accents echo MX-5 Roadster DNA without premium pricing penalties. Lead designer Akira Tamatani explains their inspiration. Horizontal dashboard elements calm visual perception. Relaxed drivers perform better. Short truth composure improves safety. The reason this is happening, Mazda prioritizes driver engagement over pure efficiency, creating crossovers that reward enthusiastic operation while handling practical duties. All-terrain capability includes revised throttle mapping for loose surface traction, while 8.8 inches ground clearance protects vital components. Risk assessment firms document 28% fewer off-road insurance claims versus segment peers, reducing premium costs. Emerging developments. Mazda's 2026 plug-in hybrid variant promises 45 kilometers electric range, likely boosting current model resale values. Car number 6, Subaru Crosstrek, the unstoppable all-weather warrior. Remember when icy mountain roads meant canceled weekend plans? The 2025 Subaru Crosstrek transforms winter driving anxiety into confident adventure with symmetrical all-wheel drive maintaining traction where others surrender control. Government testing reveals Crosstrek owners file 39% fewer weather-related claims than compact SUV averages, translating into meaningful insurance discounts. It gets better. Generous 8.9-inch ground clearance conquered obstacles that strand conventional crossovers, while flat-folding rear seats expand cargo capacity to 1,590 liters, sufficient for tandem bicycles plus camping supplies. The dashboard maintains refreshing simplicity, allowing climate adjustments without hunting through touchscreen menus during critical driving moments. The naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine produces modest 1880 horsepower, yet feels adequately responsive thanks to refined CVT programming that maintains optimal engine speeds. Recent EyeSight 4.2 updates now monitor intersection approaches. Japanese trials demonstrate 38% collision reduction during challenging right turn scenarios. But listen to this. Rural mechanics praise the Boxer engine's turbocharger-free design and timing chain durability. Belt replacement intervals disappear entirely. ASE-certified technician Mike Chen observes, these engines routinely exceed 220,000 miles with basic maintenance schedules. Longevity trumps complexity every time. Forward-looking insight. Subaru's planned plug-in Crosstrek Wilderness Edition arrives in 2026 with 40-kilometer electric range, potentially strengthening current model residual values. Car number 7. Kia Telluride, boardroom-style family substance. Imagine luxury designers sketching a premium concept while engineers insisted on family practicality. That creative tension birthed the 2025 Kia Telluride. Its commanding presence draws admiring glances, yet genuine value emerges inside. Captain's chair second-row seating provides cooling and massage functions, while authentic third-row accommodations offer 32.1 inches legroom, adult usable space exceeding class standards by 5 inches. The reason this is happening, Kia invested 87 pounds of sound-deadening materials throughout the cabin, achieving Tesla-rivaling 65 dB noise levels at highway speeds. Acoustic refinement typically reserved for luxury badges now appears in mainstream pricing. The robust 3.8-liter V6 engine tows 5,800 pounds while maintaining 27 mpg highway efficiency through intelligent 8-speed automatic programming. But that's not all. Customer satisfaction surveys rank Telluride among segment leaders 3 consecutive years. Owners consistently praise the 12.3-inch curved display system that seamlessly integrates navigation with parking camera feeds. Enhanced confidence translates into stress-free maneuvering in tight spaces. Safety performance impresses equally. A Tennessee family survived severe side impact collision with minor injuries. Investigators credited Telluride's 0.87G roof crush strength exceeding federal requirements by 34%. Insurance providers responded with 11% policy discounts, recognizing superior protection levels. Automotive journalist David Mitchell summarizes, the Telluride delivers luxury ambiance without luxury debt burdens. Next generation twist. Kia's upcoming 2026 turbo hybrid powertrain will likely elevate current model resale values further. 7 SUVs, 2 distinct paths, 3 drain bank accounts, while 4 deliver exceptional value. Choose correctly and your driveway holds an asset, not a liability. Want exclusive insights into 2026's revolutionary safety technologies that promise near autonomous capability? Subscribe now, enable notifications, and stay ahead of automotive evolution. Not professional advice, consult a qualified expert as needed.